In a world where honeybees float like butterflies and sniff out cancer like bees, their olfactory abilities are unlocking new possibilities in medical science. Scientists have connected bees' brains to electrodes, revealing distinct neural patterns that respond to different scents, paving the way for early disease detection. While electronic noses exist, bees' biological sensors outshine them in differentiating subtle mixtures, offering a unique advantage in scent detection. The ability of insects like bees to detect diseases through scent is a fascinating aspect of their communication, showcasing nature's intricate language. By directly tapping into bees' neurons, researchers can swiftly decode scent signals, bypassing the need for extensive behavioral training. Through intricate experiments, bees have demonstrated remarkable accuracy in distinguishing between scents, including those emitted by lung cancer cells. The bees' sensing capabilities extend beyond cancer detection to identifying trace scents like PFAS, showcasing their versatile olfactory skills. In future, their natural ability can be mimicked to create sensors that can detect lung cancer early, potentially saving lives, hinting at a future where bees could revolutionize early disease diagnosis. If you want to read more about this, you can find publication link in description. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more science updates.